My name is Precia, and I'm an Experiential Education Unit Student Ambassador. And today I have here with me Brittany.
Hello, everyone.
So, Brittany, which remote experiential learning course did you participate in?
So I'm in the Bio 399 Research Opportunity Program. I'm working with Professor Henning Furlog, along with my team, to create case studies that compare and contrast Western medicines and herbal therapies.
That is really cool. So, how would you describe your experience, and what was your best accomplishment or takeaway?
So I think that with a lot of the challenges that are presented with this new virtual environment, my research opportunity program has really provided an opportunity to change those challenges into a way that is able to foster a better sense of community. This makes it really easy to make connections with my professors and my team. Especially when asking questions, making suggestions, and things like that. Currently, we're on track to publishing our case studies, so I'm really excited for that, and I really hope it works out.
We are also very excited for you. So, do you have any advice for students who are considering enrolling in a remote EL course?
So I would say that for those that are thinking of enrolling in an EL course, to just take the leap and do it. As I said, it really provides an opportunity to strengthen a lot of transferable skills like project management, research development, collaboration, and just a bunch of skills that would definitely be valuable for other areas of your academic career. For those that are currently in an EL course, good luck, keep doing what you're doing, take advantage of this opportunity to make those connections, and I'm rooting for you.
Thank you so much, Brittany, for joining me today and sharing these amazing tips. To learn more about remote EL opportunities, feel free to visit us at the EEU website listed down below. Bye!